Good morning, everyone. Let us start with rational numbers. Let us discuss different types of numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers are all counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are natural numbers. Whole numbers. Zero and all counting numbers are whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are whole numbers. Integers. Integers are whole numbers and negative of counting numbers. Whole numbers, negative of counting numbers will be -1, -2, -3 and so on. Coming to fractions. Fractions are of the form A upon B, where A and B are natural numbers. Examples are 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6, and so on are fractions. Now coming to rational numbers. Rational numbers are of form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are rational numbers. Let us come to some examples of rational numbers. 3 upon 4. Here 3 and 4 are integers. -5 upon -6. -8, -7 upon 8. 8 upon -9. Here numerator and denominator both are integers. Hence it is a rational number. Second example. 0 is a rational number because it can be written as 0 upon 1. Then coming to third example. Natural numbers. All natural numbers are rational numbers. How come 1, 2, 3 and so on are rational numbers? Because it can be written as 1 upon 1, 2 upon 1, 3 upon 1 and so on. Now coming to integers. All integers are rational numbers. How? 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. Again, the same thing. It can be written as, see, 0 and natural numbers we've already discussed. It can be written as 0 upon 1, 1 upon 1, 2 upon 1, 3 upon 1. Negative of counting numbers also, -1 upon 1, -2 upon 1, and so on. Now, the last example I'm discussing is every fraction is a rational number. Fraction, let us take 3 upon 4. It is a rational number because 3 and 4 are integers. 5 upon 6. It is an rational number because 5 and 6 are here natural numbers which are integers also. So it is a rational number. So we can say that, see, all fractions are rational numbers. So we can say that all fractions are rational numbers. What is fraction? Both a and b are natural numbers. That means it is an integer also. Hence it is a rational number. But now, are all rational numbers are integers? Or sorry, all rational numbers are fractions? No, because let it be -3 upon 4. Here -3 is not a natural number, so it is not a fraction. All rational numbers may not be fractions or is not necessarily a fraction. Coming to positive rational number and negative rational. What are positive rational numbers? Positive rational numbers are rational numbers in which both numerator and denominator are either positive or negative. That means both the numerator and denominator are positive or it is negative. Then it is a positive rational number. How come in this case? Because negative and negative gets cancelled. So it is a positive rational number. Negative rational number is a rational number in which either the numerator or the denominator is negative. Either the numerator or the denominator is negative. Either of the numerator or denominator is negative. That is negative of rational number. Now let us study important properties of rational numbers. The first property is we can multiply a rational number by any integer, same integer, both numerator and denominator. The rational number does not change. It is an equivalent rational number. 3 upon 4. I can multiply it by 2. I get this as 6 upon 8. Minus 5 upon 6. I can multiply it by minus 3. Multiplied by minus 3, I get 15 upon minus 18. The rational number does not change when we multiply it by any common integer. I can say that like this. P multiplied by M, Q multiplied by M, it is also equal to the same rational number P upon Q. Similarly, here it can be divided also by a common divisor. Let it be P divided by M upon Q divided by M. Let us take one example. 5 minus 5 upon 15. The common divisor is 5. I can divide it by 5. What do I get? Minus 1 upon 3. I can also divide it by minus 5 in both numerator and denominator. Then I will get as 1 upon minus 3. That means a rational number does not change when we multiply both numerator and denominator by a common integer or divided by a common divisor. Now coming to the one more property, if suppose we have a negative denominator and we have to make it a positive denominator, then we should multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1. Let us take one example, 3 upon 4, it is minus 4. I want positive denominator. Then I should multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1. I get it as minus 3 upon 4. This is called making a denominator as positive. That's all for today, children. Rest we are going to discuss tomorrow.